It's so fascinating because if I have a line of work, I would say it's programming. And if you ask me, like, for the last, I don't know, 20 years, what I would recommend for people, I would tell them, yeah, go. Like, there's just, you will always have a job if you're a programmer, because there's more and more computers and all this kind of stuff, and it pays well. But then you realize these large language models come along, and they're really damn good at generating code.
Yeah.
So it's overnight, you could be surprised, like, wow, like, what is the contribution of the human really? But then you start to think, okay, it does seem that humans have ability, like you said, to deal with novel situations. And in the case of programming, it's the ability to kind of come up with novel ideas to solve problems. It seems like machines aren't quite yet able to do that. And when the stakes are very high, when it's life critical, as it is in surgery, especially neurosurgery, then it starts, the stakes are very high for a robot to actually replace a human. But it's fascinating that in this case of Neuralink, there's a human robot collaboration.
Yeah. I do the parts it can't do, and it does the parts I can't do. And we are friends.